Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and I'm here today to do a flip through of the page by page project collaboration that I did with Kyung Shotwell. And I'm really going to miss this. We did this for 40 something weeks, and there's 40 pages that we have created. Now, every other week I would pick a prompt, and every other week Kyung would pick a prompt, and then that's how we would decide what we would put on the page. Now, yesterday we went through signature 1, and today we're going to go through signature 2. This one is larger and more in charger. That was silly. I don't know why I said that. Anyway, and so it may take a minute or so to go longer to go through this one, or it may just be fatter because there's more flippy floppy elements. As I went along, I started learning more and more because it was almost a year that we were doing this project. And like I said, I'm going to really miss it, and I really appreciate Kyung doing this with me. So here's signature 1 that we did yesterday. Off it goes. This is signature 2. I have not bound the signatures yet. If I do, I'm definitely going to put one in each, a cover on each one, and not try to put both of them in one cover. But their pages are delicate because they got so big, and so I am afraid to mess with the centers of the pages. Okay, so here we go, and of course I have a knot, so there you go. Take that off. Now I have the prompts written down, but occasionally the pages are out of order, and so the prompt isn't going to be correct until the opposite page. Okay, so this is going to be week 21, and the prompt was paper pad, and each one of these opens up into a little pad of paper in the center. Okay, so there's 2 of those. And then this week is a tuck. And so this is a little tuck, and it's got an envelope in it. I love this sewing kit. I believe it's My Porch Prints. And I also made a stacked pocket on this side with lots of little pieces of ephemera. And they're very cute on this page. And this page is die cut, and each one of these pockets is a die cut. It's probably kind of hard to tell. Let me pick part of this up. And so each one of these is a die cut, and I used the frame, and then each one of the tags is the center from the frame that I cut out. Okay, on the next page I have written down ribbon, but there's ribbon right here. It's just light, and this is another kit that I love, and I don't remember where it came from. This is so sad because I love all the kits that I used in here, and I wish I had written down, you know, which ones I had used on which page, but I didn't. So this opens like this, and then this opens like this, and there's ribbon on every single one. And each one has a beautiful tag in it. Come here, tag. Anyway, there's a tag. I know there is. Oh, it's a card. It's inside the envelope. Anyway, there's 2 of them in there. And then there's this huge, beautiful writing card on here, or in here. I don't know why I take the writing cards out. They always are hard to put back in. And then on this page, let me flip my page here so I can see what I have written down. On this page is supposed to be washi, and I'm not sure where the washi tape is. I did a glance through on this as I was going through, and it's a flip out, and there's a card inside of each one. Give me your card. And so I'm not sure, what is the next prompt? The next prompt is envelopes, and these are envelopes. So that must be this page. So let's look for washi somewhere here. And then the next one is embossing, and so that was on this page, and I thought that it was embossing, and it was actually a different prompt, and Kyung did the correct prompt and I did not. But I actually die cut this aluminum foil, and yeah, so that was fun. And then these are envelopes too, so this might be the envelope page because it's in order. I don't know where the washi page went. I really don't. So there's tags in all of these. This is a really cool kit, and this is antique papery. And this one, I believe, is by Janie B, from Janie B Journals. And this one is lace, and so I put some lace on there. I've never really worked with lace very much before, and I believe something comes out. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a pretty page. I think it's a pretty page. And then the next page is button, and I used buttons all on the page, and of course these little tags come out. They match the pockets. And then we're at the center spread, and the prompt for this page was wow, button. Then it says floral. Oh, the flowers, that's floral. Hold on, I think when you take this big notebook out, yeah, see, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful kit? And I know who that's by, but I don't know off the top of my head, and it's one of my favorite kits too. I have a lot of favorite kits, but there are some that are really, really nice. And then since it's a center spread, it matches, but the next one is I'm not sure what this prompt is. It's supposed to be stenciling, but I don't see any stenciling. So it is beautiful though. So it's a mystery prompt. And this page, I'm just going to quit going because I don't know. This looks like a floating pocket. It's an envelope. Maybe it was envelope. Was the yeah, envelope flip was this page here, and then eyelets, and these are all attached by ribbons, or these two are attached by ribbons, and that's attached up here. These ribbons are not tied completely. They're untied so that you can add more and more ribbons, or more and more tags to the ribbon, and stick them back in the pocket and store your tag ephemera. And on this page, this is a tuck, and I believe it was collage, but I'm not sure. Yeah, because they're totally out of order as far as what I have written down. This is page 34, which is industrial. I do know that. And so this page has a corner tuck, and I think it was collage, and then industrial. And then you can take this off. There's a key here to unlock your gears. And then when this comes off, and it's a writing card, it just sits in the center like that, like magic. And then this page, it flips out like this. There's a card in here. There's a writing card here. And this one flips down. There's a writing card inside. And there's, whoops, and there's a tag here. See, that tore just now. That's why I'm so afraid to do something with this. I'm pretty sure this page was butterfly or nature. And it has a file folder. And then I put these butterflies on here to match the paper. And the prompt on this one is envelope, and it opens like this. Come here, I know you open. Oh, it's got repositional tape on it. And opens up like this. I made a tag into the opening, and then there's a little notebook that comes out from in here. And then this one you saw recently, and this is nature, and I selected bees, and I just love this kit. And you would think, having just done it, oh, this is an Artie Mays kit. It's beautiful. So this magnet belly band flips up, and then this flips out. And look at that beautiful picture. This says, gracious words are like honey. And this one says, the flower doesn't dream of the bee, it blossoms and the bee comes. I love that. Oops. Is that it? Yep. And then the last one is notebook. I used the same paper as I did, I think, in the center spread in this one. It was the Asian theme, and then this one is yellow. There's lots of yellow on here. It's hard to see it on the camera. It looks tan, but it's actually yellow. There's a dragon charm on here, and these were the first times I'd ever used bulb pins as well. And this opens with a Velcro, and then it opens down with like this, and then there's a belly band holding in a notebook. And look at that belly band. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this paper. That's why I used it twice, or actually 3 times. I used it 3 times. So that's my book, and I love it so much. And like I said, I'm so sad to see this end, and I can't wait for Kyung and I to do another collaboration, and I hope it's just as long as this one was. And yeah, here's signature 1. And so I'm gonna say goodbye to you for now, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye bye.